Are you an SSS member and badly affected by a typhoon recently? Good news! SSS offers calamity loans to its affected members. Watch this video until the end.
Pursuant to Social Security Commission, SSC, Resolution No. 551S.2019 dated July 31, 2019 approving recommendation to provide usual assistance for SSS members/pensioners affected by calamities. Calamity loan assistance for member borrowers whose residence is in the areas affected by calamity and other areas to be declared under state of calamity by National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council and who suffered losses or damages to their properties located in the said calamity-stricken areas. What are the covered areas? Declared areas under state of calamity are the following. Availment period. The availment period for the assistance will start on January 14, 2022 until April 13, 2022 except for the direct house repair and improvement loan which is up to 1 year from issuance of the corresponding SSS circular. Who may avail the program? To avail of the program, the members 1. Must be registered in the SSS website to facilitate filing of the application. 2. Must have at least 36 Monday contributions, 6 of which should be posted within the last 12 months prior to the month of filing the application. 3. Must be residents of the calamity-declared areas and suffered damages/loss to their properties. A resident, for the purpose of CLAP, is one who has a home address or property at the calamity-stricken area. 4. Have not been granted any final benefit, example, permanent total disability or retirement. 5. Must not have an outstanding loan restructuring program or calamity loan assistance program. 6. If employed, the employer must certify the CLAP application through online. Loan amount. The loan amount shall be equivalent to 1 monthly salary credit computed based on the average of the last 12 MSC or the amount applied for, whichever is lower. Payment term and deadline of payment. 1. The loan shall be payable within 2 years in 24 equal monthly installment. 2. The loan amortization shall start on the second month following the date of approval of the loan. 3. Payment deadline shall be on or before the last day of the month following the applicable month. 4. In case the payment deadline falls on a Saturday, Sunday or holiday, payment may be made on the next working day. To apply for SSS Calamity Loan, check the link in the description below on how to file it online in a step-by-step process.
For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Epinoy Tutorial TV now.